Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about when your makeup expires. As a makeup artist, this is a question I get asked a lot, so I'm gonna give you guys some rules of thumb and ways you can tell for yourself when you should throw out that makeup. Leave me a comment below and let me know what the oldest piece of makeup is in your makeup drawer, in your makeup bag. I'm not gonna judge you, I wanna know. I'll tell you guys, I do have a palette from 2014 still. I don't use it. I just feel bad about throwing it away. I've just had it so long. That's where it lives. And it was like the first palette I spent my own money on. Like the first nice palette, you know? You just can't part with it. Alright guys, let's get into it. Keep watching to see when your makeup expires, how to tell, and when you should throw it away. So now you're probably sitting there super worried that half the stuff in your makeup bag you're gonna have to throw away, but don't worry. Now the biggest reason this matters to you is because products like skincare have active ingredients in them that are not gonna have a shelf life beyond the period after opening date, which is the basically expiration date of your makeup. And products, especially water-based products, can harbor mold and bacteria and can cause your gorgeous skin to break out or even cause eye infections. Ain't nobody got time for that. Now, you keep hearing me talk about the period after opening date. Let me show you guys what that symbol looks like, and you're gonna spot it now on almost every cosmetic or skincare product you buy. Now, I'm gonna put it somewhere up here so you guys can see what it looks like, and we're gonna look at a few examples of products that you might find it on. So the period after opening symbol basically just means that you should use this product and dispose of it within the period after opening. So for example, this mascara, it's kind of worn off, but it says 6 months in the little container. So that means that I should use this and discard it 6 months after I've opened it and started using it. You're gonna start to notice this now on like everything. Now of course, using clean brushes on palettes and blush and stuff like that is gonna make those last a little bit longer. Typically eyeshadow lasts anywhere from 6 months to 2 years depending on the maker and the quality. Anything liquid you're gonna see probably expire within 1 year. Lip Sense has a 12-month period after opening date. Things like moisturizer and skincare typically is gonna be good for about a year. Concealer, you can expect that to last about a year. Foundation, about a year. The only thing you're really gonna see be less than a year is some eyeshadows and mascara. Mascara is so close to your eyes and really can harbor a lot of bacteria, so that's one of the reasons that the period after opening date is a lot shorter. Same goes for eyeliner. You're probably gonna wanna toss that after 6 months to a year, depending on the brand and the type of application. A lot of wax-based lipsticks will last up to 2 years. Now, let's revisit whatever item in your makeup drawer that you've had the longest. I see those comments. Let's all make a promise to each other that we're just gonna toss it. Now, your products might actually go bad before the time is up on them. A few telltale signs of when products have gone bad are a change in texture, a change in moisturization, so things can get dry and cakey, they don't apply the same, they're patchy. In cream-based and liquid products, you might start to notice some clumping or a change in smell. I hate to break it to you guys, but your product is probably going bad. Sorry. Now I hope this is inspiring some of you to go ahead and clean out that makeup drawer and bring in new products that are gonna be safe for you to use on your skin. You're not gonna be risking any breakouts or infections. So gross. And of course, keeping your brushes clean is going to aid in preventing nasty things on your skin. So regularly cleaning those brushes as well is gonna make a huge difference. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you wanna see more stuff like this. Huge shout out to our viewer of the week. I'm gonna shout them out right here. Thank you so much for being one of my amazing viewers, and congrats on being the viewer of the week. Alright, don't forget to subscribe so you guys can catch more tips, tricks, and tutorials on my channel. Catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.